G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In tonight's tutorial we are going to look at double exposure. So we'll look at having a video and an image within the design. So for this one, download an image, upload an image, and when you've done that, go over to uploads and we'll come over to our um, image that we want to use, which is this one. It's a cityscape. So I just click that, bring that into the design like so. Alright, and all we're going to do to this one at the moment is go to edit, go to filters, and all the way down to color pop, and we're going to use poster. Alright, once we've done that, we'll come over to the second page, come back over to uploads, and we'll upload our image. We'll drag that over there like so. We'll go to background remover, so you can go background remover through there or edit and background remover. I like using this one here, just a little quicker option. Alright, and just drag that over to the side like so, and I'm just going to increase this up slightly to cover there, and just drag that down. Then what you want to do is come over to share and go download, transparent background. Make sure that you choose the right page like so. Alright, and then download. Now we want to come back over to page 1, and when that's downloaded we want to just drag that back into the image. Alright, now we need to come over to apps, and we need to search for easy reflection like so. Once that is there, open it up, okay, and go create reflection. Now what you want to do is bring it over to the left and increase the offset to 90 like so, opacity up to 100, and add it to design. So we'll get rid of that one there, and we'll flip that one horizontally, and then what we want to do is go to edit, go to adjust, and drop the saturation down to -100 like so. And then what we want to do is just bring that out and position it around the middle. Alright, what I like to do is just bring a ruler in. I'll just move this over slightly like that. Alright, so I like to bring a ruler in, then you duplicate it and you just line it up with the ruler. Duplicate it about 3 times just to get the intensity like so. Then what you want to do is download that one. Make sure that you've got the right page. Alright, download. Then you can just get rid of that. And once that is downloaded, just bring it back into Canva and drag it out like so. Okay, and then go over to edit, go to adjust, increase the clarity up to about 55 or thereabouts. And then what you want to do is go to background remover again and remove the background. And once the background is removed, you then go back into background remover and go to restore, increase the brush size and just brush back all the background there like so. Alright, just drop that down. Alright, and just brush the background. Make sure it's all in. Alright, that is the first part of the double exposure. The second part is we're going to bring a video in. So we'll just come up here to elements, and I used one just before in the photo uploaded to Facebook. Come down to frames, grab a frame and just position it behind the image that you've got there and bring it in like so. First of all, we're just going to go to elements and go to elements, and I'll just scroll all the way up, go to, once my computer decides to stop spaz attack, and just drop that into the frame. Alright, and we'll just drag that across like so, and then go layers and center back. And there you have it. That is the double exposure with an image and a video. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. If you can press the notification button on the YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. And until next time, have fun with Canva, and bye for now.